again, this is Melissa. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And for today's episode, we're going to do a makeup look with a touch of the blue and the black shades. So I will be playing it on my face. Hopefully I would be able to pull it off. And of course, I am not a professional makeup artist or guru, so please bear with me. And if you have suggestions or comments about my look, please comment down below. I would love to read those. And of course, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button below so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. Let's start! So you can see, guys, I'm breaking out again today, so I have pimples. By the way, this blue and black shade, I will be using this one as eyeshadow. I will be putting those shades here on my crease. Am I correct? Is this crease? So yeah, comment down below. So there, I'm going to start. Alright, so this is my base. It's Pimple Eraser from Quick FX. You can buy this from Watson's. So after applying my base, I will be using this Perfect Stick SPF 50 Plus from, this is from Fashion 21. After applying the Perfect Stick foundation, I will be putting this loose powder from Fashion 21 with SPF 50 Plus. So the shade is number 1. Itong ginagawa ko, Diyos ko Lord, tulong. Alright, so I will be doing my kilay there. So I'm first time that I use this shade. It's color black actually. And you know me, I want my kilay as normal as possible. I don't overdo it, since I'm not really into makeup, but I'm actually trying my best to, learn something there. So I believe this is my best. So there. Oh my god, parang di pantay. Bash! I'm going to use this shade and this one. This is actually a grayish tone, not black. So I cannot find my brushes, so I will be using this little thing here, or my finger. Yeah, I'm actually having a hard time to blend it. I'm sorry. After this shade, now I'm going to apply this one here at the outer side. So I already applied the other shade, which is the gray one. So it looks like this, and I believe I was able to blend it nicely. So okay, alright, so the next thing we're going to do, I will be applying the darker shade here, so that my eyes would be more like, it's like open, it's like buhay, ganon. Oh my god, this English part is killing me. Yeah, because we have, subscribers outside the Philippines, so it would be very nice if they will be able to, understand what I'm saying here. I'm good with the eyeshadow, so I will be putting like a nose line here. I'm done putting my nose line here. So this is like a simple makeup look, since I'm not actually overdoing my makeups. If you have watched the makeup vlogs that I filmed before, so I just want a simple look, since I am not that a makeup person. So I'm just trying to play it on my face, pulling it off there. So I will be putting this blush from Nichido. It's a Cool Rum. That's the shade. And since I cannot find my brushes, I'm actually using my finger to apply the blush on. So if you're using darker shade on your eyeshadow, make sure that you're going to put your blush on this side, not on this side. So that it will not like overpower the palette that you used on your eyeshadow. That's what I understood based on the videos that I've watched before. I actually don't know what color or what shade I will be using for my lipstick. So since my eyeshadow is a bit dark and blue, I will be using this nude lipstick. It's from, again, Nichido, and the shade is sheer lipstick with shea butter. So I'm going to put this one. Hopefully the makeup will blend. It will blend nicely in my face, so it will look good. There. It's like peach, or I'm not sure. So there, I'm just going to finalize this look and I'll be back. Okay, so there you go. This is my final look using the shades, guys. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button down below so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. And sa lahat po ng laging nanonood ng vlog ko, maraming salamat sa inyo. So nag-reach na po ako ng 500 plus subscribers, and I'm really thankful na na-reach ko yon. And road to 1K po tayo, mga kaibigan. So magtulungan po tayo and iangat po natin ng isa't isa. Magtulungan tayo. We're going to lift each other, so we're going to help each other grow and shine. And if you have comments, suggestions about your thoughts with my look today or with the previous vlogs that I have that you already watched, please comment down below. I would love to read those. Plus I'm going to see you again on my next vlogs. And ano pa ba? So ayan, ito lang, hindi na ako masyadong nag-effort sa aking hair dahil hindi naman siya ka-effort talaga. So, I'm actually happy regarding with the outcome of this look. Kahit na nung sinisimulan ko pa siya kanina, sabi ko, mukhang hindi ko siya mapupull off kasi ibang shade yung gagamitin ko. Kasi ang hirap i-blend, lalong-lalo na yung blush mo, tapos yung lipstick mo. So, I decided na nude na lang yung gamitin ko. And then, ipapartner ko na lang ng puting top so that hindi siya masyadong, hindi maglalaban-laban yung kulay ng makeup ko at saka ng damit ko. So, ayun, sana nga nag-enjoy ko. Ang dami ko na namang sinabi. So, ano pa ba? Yun guys, kung anong gusto nyong episode na susunod, please mag-comment kayo. Binabasa ko lahat yun. Hindi ko man napupusuan lahat. Pasensya na kasi may mga priorities din tayo sa buhay na ginagawa. Minsan lang din tayo nakakapag-open ng account natin. And yung last na upload ko pa is 1 week ago. So, ayan. Gusto ko nga mag-upload 3 times a week. So, pero hindi talaga kaya ng powers ko. Ang dami kong inaanuhan kasi may malaking pagbabago ngayon sa ating kabuhayan na dapat nating pagtuunan ng pansin. Kaya, hindi masyado tayo nakakapag-vlog. So, ayun na nga guys. Once again, this is Melissa at your service, Melissa Faye. So, add me guys on Instagram. My user ID would be at Melissa Faye D, MELISSAFAYED. And my Facebook is Melissa Faye din. So, kung ano yung parang profile picture ko dito sa YouTube, ganun din yung profile picture ko sa Facebook ko. So, yun, maging magkaibigan tayo sa lahat ng platforms ng social media para mag-connect pa rin tayo sa isa't isa. So, ayan na guys. Bye-bye!